Good morning everyone, it's Rachel here and we are going to do a flip through of these journals. A couple of them I still need to print out the envelope, so I'll do that afterwards, but that's not going to make a big difference to what you're seeing. So we'll do the document journals first, and I'll just carefully pull out these just to show you what's in the pocket. So we've got the postcard, we've made some journal cards, big tags, this one, that in there, and I put an old envelope in, and I just put a lovely old piece of 1700s book page in there, and this lovely page in this one. So I'll put those back, won't take me too long. That's the back. And I've got, this one does not have an envelope, so I need to do that. Pull that up. See, I'm not pushing them right down because I want to be able to see the bits and pieces. And then I did end up putting stuff in the pockets, so I'll just put that over there. So that's this journal. They're going to be tied with some ribbon. I haven't done that yet either. So I'll just quickly go through old book page and a tag in there. That pulls out. I put that one in there, and then another piece of ephemera from a school notebook, and just a piece of ephemera and a tag, a journal card in there. I'll go through quickly because there's 4. Florentine paper, old book page, and an incomplete, like this could be completed, this tag. Whoops, sorry guys. Here I put just a piece of ephemera and a journal card. Again, needs to be finished. This has got a tag and a beautiful old piece of script. They're all different. 18, I think that says 1811, that one. We pin that on there together, I think. Got a journal card in there. I haven't put, you know, like a huge amount in the pockets because we have some stuff in the loaded bags as well. We have this tag. I put this here and an old sort of postal thing, and then another journal card that could be have more added to it if you want to. That just pulls out. So lots of extra writing space. I just put some old rag paper, 1700s rag paper behind, and in there we put the tag. Here I put a piece of ephemera and another tag, and there's a tag in there. We did that together. That just pulls. Oh, that's this here. Oh, did I forget to put something in there? I did. Okay, I'll have to remember to do that. I'll put this in here so I remember. And then just some sort of receipty thing, and the little Victorian reproduction Victorian figure, and then a few little pieces of ephemera there. I didn't put anything in there. I need to remember that too. I knew I forgot something. And just a tag in there. So that's that journal. I'm going to put it back in its bag, even though I've got to add a few things, just so I don't get them confused. So that can go over there. Now this one here. Am I on screen? Yes. I think I might stand up. So that's the journal, and then in this pocket, so we have a journal card with the window, another journal card, we did this one, old postcard, same type of envelope, vintage envelope, a tag. We've got that. I didn't put anything in it. Another, again, the old book page, and a big tall tag, and this page. So maybe I'll sort that out afterwards. I'll just whack them in there and I'll play around with that afterwards. Okay, so let's see what's happening in here. On screen, yes. Okay, so tag, ephemera in that pocket, ephemera and a journal card in that one, and that receipt that was in the back of the other one, and a tag that can have more added to it. There's the Victorian figure with some rag paper, the same sort of elements as was in the other one. I think they all got those. similar but different. There's a tag, just a piece of ephemera there, and a tag in there. I'm not pulling everything out because a lot of it you saw that just pulls out. You can do whatever you like with that. That's the fabric flip. The other one had that. Did I not flip that out? I don't remember. That one pulls right out. I love that look together. Here I put Florentine paper and a journal card. Book page and a tag. Some ephemera in there. That's a, what is that, a pocket? I haven't put anything in there. I didn't put anything in those. You can do that. And then that just pulls out. That also pulls out. Lots of flippies. Oh, that one had the pocket on the inside. I added a little bit of ephemera in there. And then here's an old document. So they've all got old document, but they're all different, of course. And then that's the back. So that's that one. I'll put that back in the bag. Don't need to, did I have an envelope? I did. I don't need to add anything to this one, so that's good. I just need to tidy it up and tie the ribbon around it. Okay, I'll put that, where will I put that? Here. And then we have the regular size sort of journals. So I'll pull this one out. I'll probably not, I'm posting them in my shop at the time of videoing, so probably you won't, they might not be there when you see the video. Okay, so what do we have going on in here? Let's just pull it all out. Well, maybe I'll pull out the what's in the front first, and then let's do the back. Okay, so in here I have a big journal card. I've put a big book page in there. We have our faux glassine sort of transparent bags, a bigger envelope, big journal card, big tag or journal card, put that at the back there. Envelope that I didn't put anything, end up putting anything in them because there's so much in these journals that honestly you just exaggerate. So there's that, and then in here we have, so these ones have a little bit less, I think, inside because it's more in their loaded bag. So a postcard, big tag, a journal card. This one, oops, I need to put something in there. I need to remember that. I have to double check them. And then that's a journaling spot as well. So that's that bag. And then we have the journal here. I added a few tabs here and there. Didn't put anything in there. And then I've again added some very old bits and pieces. Here I added, oh, that was already there, I think. Old rag paper in that swinging pocket. I've put just some rag paper in that pocket behind the postcard. This again is from the kids book, and then some rag paper. So less embellished stuff in here. Journal card, or tag I should say. That just pulls out for writing. Here I loaded it. Oh, actually I could put that, I'll put that back over on the other side. There's a piece of ephemera there, but I accidentally put more in the one pocket and not the others. So I'll put that, and I think it's got some pages attached to it as well. So that can go, if it fits. It does. Just got to get it to go in there. There we go. That can go in there. Right. Here we've got a journal card. Nothing in there. That's for someone to make something. Got some Florentine paper and some ephemera there. Ephemera and a tag there. So there are a few colourful things in here. And there's one of those. Now there's nothing in them. They seem to not have their letters. They were just like that. So it was like they were folded the special way with the seal, but there was nothing inside them when I got them. But they are pre-stamp, so pre-1850s. And then here's some ephemera, and I think I may have added that journal card in there as well. So that's that one. And then the last one is this one. Okay, so let's pull what's in the front. Let's pull the journal out. And let's pull out what's in front, which is easier said than done. That's in front. Okay, so here, another folded big book page to play with. You could make it like a tri-fold something, a big journal card, taggy opening out writing spot. Need to put something in that one. Got this one here, envelope. So I do need to check them all. There's the other envelope. I put that one like that. That one did have these things sticking out of it, and then big journal cards as well. Actually, I might put that one in there because I've got more in the back than the front. We've got a little postcard, real postcard. We've got that. I did put something in there. And then that opening out journaling spot. I think we did that together. Okay, so that's the bag. And then the journal. It's just nice to have it. Sometimes I forget, as I've mentioned, some old document there. Quite damaged, so fun to play with. I forget to do the flip through sometimes in my enthusiasm. Ephemera, and I added that tag there, and that's the same as the other one, different but the same. Yeah, I forget to do the flip through, so it's just nice when we've worked on something together for you to see how it all came together. Some more old bits and pieces, same in this one. So they're not like, you know, there's lots of room, rag paper, room to do things in these journals. Like, I'm not decorating it all for you. You need to do some of that, some more old document, receipt. There's ephemera there. That one is the big pocket with nothing in it. That one, this, I added that in there. It needs to be completed. It's a blank on the other side, so, you know, if you want to add a topper or do whatever on it. And then this just has this tag and the deer one in there. They're reproductions, those. So those are the journals. I hope you enjoyed the process of making those. Thank you so much for watching, and we will be moving on to the next thing. So have a great day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.